Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you an awesome video that I've been so excited to do. I decided to do my own dip powder nails. It's super easy and you would not believe how much fun it is. Today I'm unboxing the Assure Beauty Dip powder kit that I got from Amazon. I hope I said the name right. Assure, you guys know what I mean. It came with multiple colors. They're all very pretty colors. Some are vibrant, some are more on the subtle side, and then of course you have a glitter. This kit is going to come with the colors, and it's also going to come with everything you need. So you're going to get the base coat, the activator, the top coat, and then you also even get a brush saver, which is going to help you to clean your brushes in between, and you do get a couple extras that you'll see later in the video. You also get a nice little brush to brush the powder. You get your files, you get your buffers, and then you also get this cool little thing here where you can actually open it up and put the dip powder in and work from there if you would like as well. So it's totally up to you. It's a really cute and affordable little kit. I'm not going to talk that much in this video because I want you guys to see how I actually do the application. So here I'm just prepping my nails with alcohol, getting all the oils off, any lotions or anything like that, and then I'm gonna go right into doing my dip powder nails. So if you'd like to see the amazing outcome of these nails, then keep on watching. So now you see I am getting close to the end of doing my dip nails. Of course, I fast forwarded so that you guys can see every single nail being done. Oh, those are the 2 extra brushes that come in your kit as well. Now that I'm done with my nails, I'm just going to do a nice little cleanup with the alcohol. Then I'm gonna go in with my cuticle oil, with my body polish, my lotions, you know, that whole vibe, just so that I can have that nice manicured spa experience. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this kit a 9 out of 10. It would be a 10 out of 10, except when I opened some of the packaging, one of the glitters was a little bit messy. But other than that, I really like this kit. I think it's really great. And again, like I said, it's very affordable. And I am just ready for you guys to see the finished look. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe. The link to this particular kit is going to be linked below in the description box, along with my Amazon storefront with some other cool kits as well from this brand. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.